Now that your roofing project has been scheduled, I'd like to show you what you can expect on the day of install. The first thing you'll see is the best crew of roofers in the state of Wisconsin showing up at your home. We'll need the driveway cleared so that our installers have a clear path to back the dump truck in so they can easily discard of all the old roofing material. As you can imagine, there are thousands of nails on your roof, and we do our very best to clean all of them up. So a freshly mowed lawn can make it much easier for our team to achieve this. Moving grills and patio furniture away from the home will make it easier and safer for the crew to set up their tarps as well as their ladders. Also, any potted plants that are easily moved should be put somewhere out of the way if possible. We do our very best to work around everything outside your home, but if there are things that can be easily moved, it makes our job a lot easier. But don't worry, if you're not able to move them yourselves, our guys would be more than happy to do so before they start. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.